Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler kitchen is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents who want to encourage their little ones' independence and creativity in the kitchen. This video will dive into the top picks for toddler kitchen tools, considering factors like safety, durability, ease of use, and of course, how much fun they are for your toddler. We'll explore a range of options, from adorable play kitchens to practical, child-sized utensils, helping you find the perfect tools to spark your child's culinary curiosity and make mealtimes more engaging. Number 5. Tovla Junior Kids Knife Set. Introducing the Tovla Junior Knife Set, designed for young chefs to learn essential kitchen skills safely and enjoyably. It's the perfect way for kids to participate in real cooking activities. These knives are designed with child safety in mind. The toddler-friendly design allows kids to develop independence and confidence in the kitchen. Inspired by Montessori principles, this set promotes hands-on learning. It helps children develop practical life skills and build confidence. The set includes 3 knives, small, medium, and large, all with non-slip handles. It's everything your young chef needs to start cooking. With these kid-friendly knives, little ones can safely improve their chopping and cutting skills. It's educational play with real-life application. We have options for every young chef, from toddler-friendly knives to sets for older kids. Each knife is tailored for age-appropriate use and safety. What we like? It has child-safe knives perfect for little hands. The Montessori approach encourages independence in the kitchen. If you're looking to foster a love of cooking and life skills, this set is ideal for your young chef. What people say? They are nicely designed. Meant for children aged 4 years and older, these knives are very similar in look to ceramic knives meant for adults. The handles used on this child's knife set are sized appropriately for children, being long and large enough for them to grip and hold them securely. The blades used on this knife set are all serrated, and are sharp enough to actually be able to cut, or saw, through some foods, yet remain dull enough that children will not accidentally cut themselves when learning how to use them. Designed with safety and practicality in mind, this set offers a delightful introduction to the world of cooking for my little ones. First and foremost, safety is paramount when it comes to children handling knives. These knives are appropriately sized for small hands and feature rounded tips, minimizing the risk of accidents while still allowing children to learn proper knife techniques. The brightly colored handles not only add a playful touch but also make them easy to identify and grasp. They do cut things like bananas, apples, cucumber, but won't work for things like carrots. We love that they're dishwasher safe. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Stir and Serve Set. It's time to get cooking. This 7-piece place set includes everything your little chef needs to create delicious pretend meals. These shiny metal and wooden utensils look just like the real thing, making pretend play even more fun and realistic. They are the perfect addition to any play kitchen, bringing hours of imaginative fun to mealtime. The set includes a whisk, ladle, spatula, slotted spoon, spaghetti server, wooden spoon, and a handy holder to keep everything organized. Made from sturdy stainless steel and wood, it's built to withstand even the most enthusiastic chefs. It's safe and durable for years of imaginative play. It makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 to 6, encouraging hands-on, screen-free play and sparking their creativity. What we like? This set boasts durable, shiny stainless steel and wood utensils. It's great for pretend play or assisting in real cooking tasks. If your child loves mimicking grown-ups, this is a fun and engaging option. What people say? They are strong and sturdy and can actually be used in the kitchen. They're real, they are just sized for little hands. The combination of stainless steel and wood gives them a sturdy and realistic feel, making them perfect for pretend play in the kitchen. The set includes a variety of essential utensils like a whisk, ladle, slotted spoon, spaghetti server, and more. Each piece is perfectly sized for little hands, making it easy for children to hold and manipulate while cooking up imaginative culinary creations. The wooden handles are smooth and comfortable to grip, and the stainless steel parts are well made and durable. They can withstand the rigors of play without bending or breaking. Number 3. RISICULIS Wooden Kids Kitchen Knife Set. This complete set has everything your child needs to help in the kitchen. It's designed to be safe and fun for little chefs. You get a wooden knife, a cooking knife, serrated toddler knives, a cutting board, a peeler, sandwich cutters, and a crinkle cutter. There's something for every kitchen task. It's made from high-quality wood and polypropylene, ensuring durability and safety. The knives are designed to be comfortable and easy for little hands to use. The integrated handle design allows for a better grip and easier cutting. The serrated edges are gentle yet effective. Cooking together helps children develop hand-eye coordination and enhances their cognitive skills. It's a fun and educational experience. From family dinners to birthday parties, this set adds a touch of fun to any gathering. It's perfect for parent-child activities. What we like? It offers a wide variety of tools for different cutting tasks. The combination of wood and plastic ensures safety and durability. If you want a comprehensive set for various cutting needs, this one is the best choice. What people say. My kids love helping in the kitchen, and these have been a huge success in the cutting department. My oldest even uses the smaller knife to cut his steak at dinner, and it's safe, durable, and easy for him to use. This kid's kitchen knife set is fantastic. The knives are designed to cut through soft foods easily but are safe enough for him. The bright colors and variety of tools make it both fun and functional. My 8-year-old cooks a lot with me. These are safe, good grip and easy for her to use. Great quality. Number 2. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking Set. It's the perfect gift for your young chef. This complete set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, all in one portable case. We use only safe, non-toxic, and food-grade materials. It's designed to help build your child's confidence in the kitchen. The included recipe book has parent-approved recipes that are easy to follow. Cooking together is a great way to bond and build confidence. Stylish and gender-neutral, it lets your child express their creativity. The apron helps keep things tidy while they unleash their culinary talents. Using the various tools helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and dexterity. From rolling dough to using the knives, it's all about learning and fun. What we like? This all-in-one set includes everything your young chef needs, plus a helpful cookbook. It comes with a convenient storage case for easy organization. If you want a complete and organized cooking experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The cooking utensils and bakeware are made from durable, food-grade materials that are safe for kids to use. They're designed to withstand the rigors of cooking and baking while ensuring long-lasting durability. The included cookbook features a variety of kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow and fun to make. It provides step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and colorful illustrations that inspire creativity and culinary exploration. Number 1. Montessori Kitchen Toy Set. This complete set is designed to make cooking fun and safe for your little ones. It includes everything they need to help in the kitchen. Made from food-grade polypropylene and wood, these knives are non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring your child's safety. They're also durable and won't easily break. The set includes a variety of knives, cutting boards, and cutters, offering diverse options for your child to explore. There's something for every culinary adventure. The cute designs on the wooden knives will capture your child's attention and make cooking more enjoyable. The ergonomic handles are easy for little hands to grip. This set helps children develop their fine motor skills, creativity, and independence in the kitchen. It's a great way to bond with your child and teach them valuable life skills. Cooking together is a wonderful way to create lasting memories and strengthen your family bond. It's also a fantastic opportunity to teach your child about healthy eating habits. What we like? This set features multiple safe knives and other tools for various kitchen tasks. It also includes a cutting board for safe and controlled cutting. If you are looking for a versatile and safe set for your little one, this is a great option. What people say. The plastic, child-safe knives and crinkle cutter are great for little hands, and my child loves pretending to chop and slice just like a grown-up. The cutting board is sturdy and perfect for all the food prep action. They actually do cut without cutting her. They are perfect size and very durable. It's surprising the wide variety of fruits and vegetables these tools can cut. He can make decorative sandwiches and cut dough designs to top pies and cobblers. Everything is well made and should serve him and his little brother after him. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.